Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you all are aware that we are practicing letter writing as only formal letters are there in your syllabus. So that is why we have been discussing formal letters. As of now we have discussed complaining letter, letter of inquiry, letter to editor and letter to civic authorities. So today in this series of letter writing we are going to practice application for job. So all these types of letter you have already practiced in class 11th, as the syllabus of writing section in class 12th and 11th is same. So that is why this is uh, the second year in which you are reading the same things, you are studying the same things, you are practicing the same things. So that is why now you need to be very particular about that, and you should not make any mistake regarding anything while writing any type of such letter. So let's begin the class. Already format of formal letters we have discussed. We all know that all formal letters are written in the same formats. Their categories may differ but format would remain the same. Application for job, also we discussed it in online classes, in which we have discussed application for job can be divided in two parts. First one is covering letter and second one is resume, and format of covering letter would remain the same as formal letter, and then resume, at the end of resume declaration should be given. Okay, so let me write down a question and then sample answer to that question. So with the help of question and sample answer of that question, we will be discussing the same in this video lesson. Let me write down the question. You are Gaurav Garima. You are Gaurav Garima. You are Gaurav Garima, 13 Vaishali, Delhi. 13 Vaishali, Delhi. Read the advertisement given below. Read the advertisement given below. Read the advertisement given below and write a letter to the advertiser and write a letter to the advertiser and write a letter to the advertiser applying for the job. Applying applying for the job. Also give your detailed resume. Also give your detailed resume. Also give your detailed resume which you would send along with your letter of application, which you would send which you would send along with your application. Okay, so this is the complete letter, a job letter. How many times they are asked in board examination. You are Gaurav Garima of 13 Vaishali, Delhi. Read the advertisement given below and write a letter to the advertiser applying for the job. Also give your detailed resume which you would send along with your application. Okay, so let me rub it and let us discuss how a job application is written. So here advertisement, let me also write the advertisement which is given here. Wisdom Publishers Limited, Wisdom Publishers Limited, 10 Sector 24 Faridabad. 10 Sector 24 Faridabad. Wanted sales manager. Wanted sales manager. Wanted sales manager. Qualification MCom MBA. Qualification MCom or MBA, sorry, MCom MBA. Experience 5 years, I'm just reading it out. Experience 5 years for MCom, 1 or 2 years for MBA. Experience 5 years for MCom 1 or 2 years for MBA. One or 2 years for MBA. Competency: knowledge of computers, finances and related commercial activities. Salary: commensurate with qualification and experience. Apply to the general manager. So you have to apply for the post of a sales manager to Wisdom Publishers. Okay, so this is the advertiser and you are going to apply here for a post of sales manager. So in the same way as we write a formal letter, in the same way it will also, the covering letter, part 1, the covering letter will also be written. First of all, we are going to write the address of the advertiser. So that is 10. First of all, we are going to write the sender's address as given in this question: 22 Industrial Estates, Faridabad. 22 Industrial Estates, Faridabad, Haryana. Okay. Letter, you need to leave a blank line, then date, as it is 3rd July today. 3rd July, after leaving a blank line, 2021. Then again leave a blank line and receiver's address, that is General Manager, Wisdom Publishers Limited. The General Manager, Wisdom Publishers Limited. Wisdom Publishers Limited, 10 Sector 24, Faridabad. 10 Sector 24, Faridabad. Okay, Haryana. Letter will be written Haryana. So as you all are aware that first of all we have to write sender's address, that is 22 Industrial Estates, Faridabad, Haryana. Then date after leaving a blank line, Once again, leave a blank line. The general manager, Wisdom Publishers Limited, 10 Sector 24, Faridabad. Okay. After that, subject will be written. Let me rub it and write down the remaining part. Subject, application for the post of sales manager. Application for the post of sales manager. Application for the post of sales manager. Then salutation, sir. After that, content you know very well. It has been discussed. Also one of my video lessons, which you have must watched, which you must have watched. Further, you have to tell the advertiser from where you have come to know about this vacancy, so in which you will be giving the reference of the newspaper from where you have seen, in which you have seen this advertisement of this vacancy which you are applying for. Okay, so reference your advertisement, or in response to your advertisement in the Hindustan Times dated 21st June or 25th June or 30th June, whatever you may write. Okay, so in response to your advertisement in the Hindustan Times dated 25th June 2021 regarding the post of sales manager, I consider myself a suitable candidate and applying for the same. Okay, you can write more about like this. I'm sending my detailed resume with this application. Further, you may also write, I think it will suit you most appropriately, it will fulfill your requirements, and on my behalf I will try my utmost best to satisfy my superiority with my work and conduct. I am available for an interview as per date convenient to you. So either you may write this way, or you may write in response to your advertisement in the Hindustan Times dated 25th June 2021 regarding the post of sales manager. I consider myself suitable for the post and applying for the same. I am a hardworking and sincere person having more than 10 years experience in the same field. I am enclosing my detailed resume with this letter. Okay, thanking you, yours faithfully, whatever the name is given in the question, Garima, Gaurav. Then enclosure, detailed resume. Then you will have to give, you will have to write your complete resume, which must include your name, father's name, address, contact number, date of birth, educational qualification, hobbies, language known, extra activities. Okay, activities if you are having, then experience. Okay, references, and at the end of it you can give your declaration that the above information which are given here are true to the best of my knowledge. Okay, dear students, so it's all about an application for job. So this way an application for job is written. You must keep it. Remember, already it has been discussed in one of my video lessons, as we are going through the formal letters. So that is why I have decided to go through to cover all types of formal letters under these video lessons. So that is why once again we are doing it. Now going to rub it and going to make you write down a question for practice. Let me make you write down a question for practice. You are Saurabh Shweta. You are Saurabh Shweta. You are Saurabh Shweta. 15 Sakshi Garden, Ghaziabad. 15 Sakshi Garden. 15 Sakshi Garden, Ghaziabad. It is GH. GH should be there in Ghaziabad. Okay. You are Saurabh Shweta, 15 Sakshi Garden, Ghaziabad. Read the advertisement given below. Read the advertisement given below. Read the advertisement given below and write a letter to the advertiser and write a letter to the advertiser. Write a letter to the advertiser applying for the job. Applying for the job. Applying for the job. Also give your detailed resume which you would send along with your letter of application. Also give your detailed resume. Also give your detailed. Also give your detailed resume. Also give you detailed resume which you would send along with your letter of application, which you would send with your letter of application. Okay, so here the advertisement I am just going to read out. Vision, let me read out. Vision Senior Secondary School, Bank Enclave, Delhi. Wanted one librarian, graduate with diploma in library science or bachelor in library science, experienced, preferable, age, pay scale and other benefits as per Directorate of Education rules. Males, females eligible. Apply to the authorized officer along with photocopies of certificates by registered post only within 10 days. Okay, so Vision Senior Secondary School, Bank Enclave, Delhi. It requires one librarian, graduate with diploma in library science or bachelor in library science, experienced, preferable, age, pay scale and other benefits as per Directorate of Education rules. Males, females eligible. Apply to the authorized officer along with photocopies of certificates by registered post within 10 days. Okay, so simply this one also will be written in the same way. Dear students, first of all you need to write the cover letter, and as cover letter is a formal letter, so it should be written in the format of formal letter. First of all sender's address, then date, then receiver's address, subject application for the post of librarian. Okay, you may start this way. Reference your advertisement in the newspaper. Applications have been invited for the above mentioned post. Finding myself suitable for this post, I send my resume for your kind consideration. I can assure you that I will discharge my duties to the entire satisfaction of my superiors. I am available for the interview as and when you will call. Yours faithfully, Saurabh Shweta. Enclosure, resume and photocopies of certificates. Okay, then resume. After that you will have to give the declaration. In declaration you must mention that the above information, the above mentioned informations are true to my best. So already a video lesson have been uploaded on application for job, so that is why I did not discuss here the complete solution to this question, because already we discussed it in online classes, as well as one video lesson is already there. So that is why, dear students, you should watch that video too, which have been made separately on this topic. Okay, so this is all about this video lesson. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.